Hello, relocation team. I hope you're all doing well this holiday season. I'm reaching out to you today with my own gift to you for the holiday season, a way to make your lives a lot easier as relocation agents. Did you know that Cartus expectations are that we update the files on time 95% of the time? Can anybody guess what our update timeliness is for the year? Right now, 20% of the agents on the team are updating the files 95% of the time. That's where my gift to you comes in. My gift to you is called the e-relocation button. And that e-relocation button is located on the gateway. Simply log into the gateway using your normal login information. Scroll down and you'll see the e-relocation button on your gateway. Click on that button and you'll be directed to your own personal dashboard, your e-relocation dashboard, where all your relocation business information is housed as far as the files that you have. To update a file, simply see what updates are due and when, click on the form in line with that file, fill out that form, and usually those forms are pretty short, and hit the submit button. And then that file has been updated. The e-relocation dashboard will show you what files are overdue, and you can plan ahead by looking at the days until the next update is due. A really, really simple gift, an easy way for us to make those 95% update numbers for Cartus. Only 45% of our agent team right now is using this e-relocation button. And I'm sure once everybody else starts using this, our statistics and those numbers will go up, which will be a great way for us to start off the year in 2019 toward our platinum standing. Thank you very much. And again, have a happy and healthy holiday season. Thank you.